These are the motherfuckers. Masimba lawo msuna wonyoko. Mpyache mun. Umarete ba. Ona mun. Stutla za masepo. Wena umdala wena. Wena. Umdala wena yumur. Una yimun. Walrete kena uthunya ye. Yomuna ye. Nommawe. Amrape. Kwachele. Weni. Kakalrwadi. Toto. Weni. Unumdala wena you shit. Ngomthora kankwe. Weni. Unasigobo simon. Wena slender wena marete. Wena ka uphi uzodlala PlayStation instead of killing aka. Wena ummolayile wena sidudla.
CCTV footage before eka was shot.
Of course, we've been privy, and I've been privy to a lot of the information around the progress dating over the last 12 months. So it's been a steady build-up. It's been a long process. At the end of the day, though, I think the fact that there are now 7 people in custody, for me, is a very important milestone that's been reached. And today is the start for me, really, of getting to the truth. So I am cautiously optimistic. I also feel very grateful that we are here, because the team, as I said to you last time, and I've said consistently, the SAPS team, the investigating team, has worked tirelessly over the last 12 months to get us to this point. And we, as the South African public, as a father, I have to give credit to the team. They've worked extremely hard, and the journey started from the night that Kenan passed. I was in Durban the next morning, and the journey started with Bob Pillay and his team, and they've been there consistently. You know, I would call him at night. I would call him over the weekends, and so I'm very grateful for where we are, and I am really encouraged that now we've got 7 people in custody, and that we can really move forward now in terms of getting closer to the truth. But it's also a start. I do not think that everything is done now. We still have to get to the point where the mastermind behind all of this is found.